Assalamualaikum. I am Maryam Munir from Morning Dew Grammar School. Welcome to KG class. Students, today we will learn English. Let's start. Open your workbook. Page number 22. Look at this. Look at the picture. Circle the correct word. So students, tell me what is shown in the picture. Cup or clock? This is a clock, so we will circle clock. Tell me what is shown in the picture. Chair or table? It is a table, so we will circle table. Name the picture. Leaf or flower? This is a leaf, so we will circle leaf. And name this picture. Rubber or pencil? This is a pencil, so we will circle pencil. I request parents and to tutors that please try to learn these words by students that they can identify and read each word. Come to next page. Page number 23. Match. So students, here you have to match these pictures with the correct word. This is an egg, so egg is written here. You have to match the dot of egg with the picture of egg. This is a tree. Match the dot of tree with the picture of tree. And this is fish. We will match the picture of fish with the word fish, like this. Students, try to practice these activities on your rough copy so that you can learn more words. Now open your book, page number 18. So students, the activity for today is these and those. Read it with me. My name is Simi. मेरा नाम सीमी है. I am a girl. मैं एक लड़की हूँ. These are my ribbons. ये मेरे ribbons हैं. And those are my skirts. और वो मेरी skirts हैं. These are my socks. ये मेरी जराबें हैं. And those are my shoes. और वो मेरे जूते हैं. These are my frocks. ये मेरी frocks हैं. And those are my blouses. और ये मेरे blouses हैं. Practice with a classmate. These are my, those are your. So students, यहाँ पे आपको पता है कोरोना की वजह से हमारे स्कूल बंद हैं, तो आप घर में अपने किसी सिबलिंग के साथ या अपने किसी कज़न के साथ आप इसकी प्रैक्टिस करें कि these are my and those are your. जैसे आप कह सकते हैं these are my toys, those are your toys. These are my shoes, those are your clothes. These are my pots, those are your tiffins. So इस तरह से आपने अपनी प्रैक्टिस करनी है. इंशाल्लाह इस तरह से आपकी वोकैबुलरी अच्छी होगी, आपको समझ आएगी कि इंग्लिश बोलते कैसे हैं. फिर जब आप बड़े होंगे आप भी अच्छे से इंग्लिश बोला करेंगे. Students, open your this book of poems. It's time to learn them. So students, today we will learn the poem My Five Senses. Read with me. I taste, taste, taste with my tongue. I touch, touch, touch with my hand. I shall be happy in the fairyland. Read it again. I taste, taste, taste with my tongue. I touch, touch, touch with my hand. I shall be happy in the fairyland. I taste, taste, taste with my tongue. I touch, touch, touch with my hand. I shall be happy in the fairyland. I taste, taste, taste with my tongue. I touch, touch, touch with my hand. I shall be happy in the fairyland. Now students, look at this. Take a rough copy. Write alphabets A to Z. So let's start. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. And here we have done. So students, one thing you have to learn, put all the capital letters in the first 3 lines. Okay? And here are 3 types of small letters in English ABC. First, grass letters, which comes in middle 2 lines. These are sky letters, comes in first 3 lines. And these words like J, which comes in last 3 lines. These letters are called root words. Grass letters, sky letters, root letters. Okay? Root letters come in last 3 lines, sky letters comes in first 3 lines, and grass letters comes in middle 2 lines. Do it with great care and try to practice English alphabets by yourself on your rough copy. Inshallah, we will meet tomorrow. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.